Medieval romance. Medieval romance refers to a genre of literature that flourished in Europe during the Middle Ages, roughly from the 12th to the 15th century. These romances generally involve tales of chivalry, knights, damsel in distress, quests, and supernatural elements. The genre is characterized by a set of conventions that distinguish it from the other literary forms of the time. The medieval romance can be broadly characterized into three main matters, each dealing with a specific theme or set of stories. Matter of Britain. This matter focuses on the stories related to the legendary King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table. They often presented the motive of the quest, an adventurous journey undertaken by a knight to achieve a goal, such as the search for the Holy Grail. Matter of France. This matter revolves around the legends of Charlemagne. The most famous work within the matter of France is the epic poem The Song of Roland. Matter of Rome. This matter is centered around the classic mythology and includes stories derived from the ancient Roman or Greek sources. Although less prominent than the matter of Britain and the matter of France, it features tales of love, heroism, and adventure. An example is the Roman de Troyes by Benoit de Saint-Maur, which recounts the story of the Trojan War. Medieval romances were written in verse and prose, often in a poetic and elevated style. They were meant to entertain and instruct, conveying moral and ethical lessons through the adventures of knights and their encounters with the supernatural forces. Sir Thomas Malory, Le Morte d'Arthur, written in the 15th century, is a collection of various Arthurian legends and serves as one of the most influential works in shaping the Arthurian literary tradition. It weaves together the tales of King Arthur, Sir Lancelot, Merlin, Queen Guinevere, and the Knights of the Round Table. Malory's work is known for its narrative unity and comprehensive treatment of the Arthurian legends, making it a seminal piece of the matter of Britain. The themes of honor, chivalry, and the whole system of values they represented are central to Malory's interpretation of the Arthurian legend.